Hello folks, we are out here at 7 Acres Escape, and we're getting ready to pour our floor here, and this is what I wanted to share with you here. So these folks, the carpenters are out here and they're setting their steel, and we've already talked about the seal, getting the set and the I-beam, so you check out that on foundations and other things on our other videos. But this here is the guys getting ready to set their steel post up underneath their steel beams. Now, and then they're going to pour concrete all around on the floor in here, and actually, so this steel post will be encased in concrete. Some parts of the country they do it that way, some parts of the country they do it different. We'll talk about the pros and cons of that in other videos, but this is how we mostly do it, and actually it works really great. But you can see how they're getting it all done. And now what they also done is they went around the whole perimeter, and you can see around the perimeter they are putting on their seal plates, and that's these right here. This is all treated wood because it's most exposed to the environment elements, and or can be, will be, but that's all being done, and you can see how the bolts are being placed in here. We'll talk more about that during the framing stage, but this is they're coming right along with this, and this is looking good. And hey, if you have any comments or how you do things in your part of the world, hit on the comment section below. Share with the world how you folks do it where you're at, and any kind of tips or ideas we're always looking for. So one thing I do want to share with you, and I'm going to expand on that a little bit. You see my plate right on top of the steel beam here, and in some areas of the country, they don't even use that. They don't even use a plate like that. We do around here. Actually, it cuts down on squeaks, is why we like to do it. Is one of the, and we have something to secure our materials upon, our floor joist upon. But that's not how it's always done. Like I said, however you folks do it, hit like and subscribe, follow us, and share with us how you folks do it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and God bless you.